Right now, did you think that Bitcoin mining was over? Well, I've found this absolute amazing platform with over 6 years backtracking record that gives you that opportunity in your house, totally cost effective compared to buying a Bitcoin miner. Now, make sure you stay and watch the rest of this video and you get to see the in-depth review I'm about to do. It's honestly blown me away. Now, before we jump into this video, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, and make sure everything you invest in meets your investment criteria and your investment plan. Okay, so now the platform I want to show you today is this on the screen. It's ECOS, that's ECOS.am. Okay, so now ECOS, like I said, have a track record of 6+ years operating. As you can see on the screen at the moment, they have over 550,000 users. They have a powerful data center of over 200 megawatts. And also they have an uptime of 99.7%. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that uptime is even better than my broadband I have at home. So that just shows how well they've got, how good of an oiled machine that they have currently. Okay, so like I said in the intro as well, ECOS holds the award for being the first cloud mining provider to gain global recognition in this space. Just to give you a bit of an insight, I have found 7 main benefits with this company. Okay, so the very first one is cloud mining. Okay, so basically what they do is they offer cloud mining over various cryptocurrencies. Basically, what you can do is you can select a contract based on your budget and your mining goals. Number 2 is mining farm. Okay, so what they do is they operate a mining farm that is located in the free economical zone, Armenia. Basically, what this means is you benefit from the low electricity cost. You don't have to have that powerful unit sat in there. And if you're in the UK like myself, energy prices are through the roof, and it would cost you a fortune to run a miner 24/7. Now, not only do they offer those two, but they also have a wallet attached to the website. Now, for me, that is a game changer because any cryptocurrency coins that you mine will go instantly to your wallet built into this platform. So it's literally all under one roof. You don't have to link another wallet. You don't have to find a wallet that you can then send across. You don't have to do any of those. Now, what they also offer is investment portfolios. Okay, so what they basically do is they give you those options to diversify your investment portfolio by giving you various cryptocurrency investment plans and also suited to your budget and your needs. Now, talking about all under one roof, they also have a crypto exchange on the website. So you not only have you got the mining, you've got the wallet, but you've also got the crypto exchange. So if you mine Bitcoin, you can then change it to BNB, or you can swap it to any token that you want to basically invest in and meets your plan. So you're not stuck with whatever cryptocurrency coin you have mined. You can change that then into one that you think is going to go to the moon. Now, what I love about this platform as well is they have a lovely little mobile app. We'll be touching over the mobile app currently, so stay tuned. Watch me go through that mobile app for you. But this means that you can mine on the go. If you're going for groceries, if you're going to work, you can still have that miner going in the background on your phone, because let's be honest, everyone takes their phone everywhere. And last but certainly not least, they have educational resources. So even if you're a brand new beginner to mining, they have everything to show you the way to help you get onto the mining ladder. Okay, so now let's go through the website a little bit for you. So you can buy your own mining farm, which is managed by ECOS. That's from $4,000. You can see a couple of the little ones we've got there, monthly reward of $685. But not only that, you can rent them as well. So they are hosted at the ECOS data center, and you can hire different miners. So again, it cuts that electricity cost. It cuts the worry about having to maintain, manage, and pay out a ridiculous price for those miners. They've also got that cloud mining that I mentioned to you as well. And obviously, it starts from as little as $250 and goes up to $700. They've also got growth signals as well, which basically gives you that insight and that criteria that you can do, and you can follow the experts along the way. So as we scroll down further, they've also got an ASIS plan calculator, okay? So you can choose the ASIS model and get a special offer. For example, they've got Bitmain, they've got one of their miners here. You can select totally different ones and it will change how much you have to pay per month, but also the mining output per month. So you can see basically the profit margins and everything that sort of way. They have loads of lovely little promo deals at the moment as well, free on the screen. But if you join their Telegram or their Twitter account, they're always doing nice little adverts and promotions and special offers as well. So you can, like I said in the intro, you can customize your mining contract. They have a nice little profitable calculator. Just click on there and it can go through whichever meets your investment plan and criteria. So this is the mobile app. As you can see here, you can receive, you can buy, you've got a nice little wallet and the exchanges on there. It's available on Google Play and Apple Store. And for the educational resources, they're basically showing you how to get maximum profit after the halving. They explain it in full details and also have a nice little video for you to watch and for you to get a full understanding. Okay, so touching on ECOS a little bit more, their comprehensive infrastructure sets them apart with their own power plant, vigilant security personnel, a dedicated team, top-tier partnerships, which we'll touch on in a second, and they are government-backed. Basically, what they're doing is they're ensuring reliability, stability, profitability, and instill confidence in the future over 550,000 customers, which I mentioned. So they are partnered with BTC.com and Bitmain, and also the ones on the screen here. Obviously, if you're in the industry, you know these are some big names. But what they've also got is they've got a track record because multiple different reporters have done reports on them. So you can see Telegraph on the screen, Yahoo Finance, Bitcoinist and investing. All you have to do is click on them. So it'll basically go onto this screen, show you the report, show you the review that they've done, and it gives you that confidence that you're backing yourself into something that's not going to scam you out of it. As you can see, they've got over 50,000 real reviews about the work of our products and services in the indicator of trust and reliability, which, like I've said before, they have been working for 6+ years. They've also got a nice little customer service FAQ section, but they also have a WhatsApp, Telegram, and you can request a call back. Now, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, like I said, do head on to their social media because they do have special offers, promotions, and everything like that. Now, that is ECOS. Now, let me know down in the comments your opinion on ECOS and whether this is something that you'd be interested in. Me personally, I've always thought about mining cryptocurrency, but with the massive upkeep and also that high money going forward to buy that unit, it's always put me off. Whereas now it gives it that affordable option. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that bell to be notified of our next video. But for now, peace.